koutou called Riley Ia. She is Riley.
And more Aotearoa Winton School called Amanda Rose Ia. She is Amanda Rose. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rapere, the 10th of March.
Okay, let's start with te kupu o te wiki. This week's word is Heke, which is te reo for down.
As in Heke, get down.
Heke, which is te reo for down.
Let's talk about heat-ups, koutou.
1. Have your heat-up named with your room number clearly marked.
And 2. Have it in the class heat-up tray before school starts.
Okay, on to health and safety news. The clear sky UV forecast for today is high from 12 o'clock until 4 o'clock.
And potae, please, from 10:30, please. Kia ora.
Hi, VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Pedestrian Crossing news. Please make sure you are looking carefully before crossing the road.
Look right, look left, and look right again before crossing the road, koutou.
Still on health and safety news. Bikes and scooters. Everyone must walk them within the school grounds.
And if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Touch news. Can the Winton Bears please meet Ben and Mackenzie in the junior lunch area at 12:45. Kia ora.
Book fair news. The after-school library shopping extravaganza is winding up tomorrow, so chop chop.
And remember, tomorrow is also dress-up day.
Go big, Winton School. Get your freak on, monster out.
Or dress up as a villain, dodgy character, or baddie.
Okay, tomorrow is Ramere and my favourite o te wiki because it's sausage sizzle day.
Get your stamps in the library from 8:30, koutou. Correct money, please.
And that's it for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team. Ka kite a pupu. See you tomorrow.
Haere rā and stay sharp, Winton School.